United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 204, Monitoring of the Risks, or Effects of Pollution, 1. States shall, consistent with the rights of other states, endeavour, as far as practicable, directly or through the competent international organizations, to observe, measure, evaluate and analyze, by recognized scientific methods, the risks or effects of pollution of the marine environment. 2. In particular, states shall keep under surveillance the effects of any activities, which they permit, or in which they engage in order to determine whether these activities are likely to pollute the marine environment.